Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying you have the Bedrock Edition and the latest update. This avoids protocol mismatches. Next, sign into your Microsoft/Xbox account on the PS5 so authentication works with external servers. Once done, write down the Bedrock Connect server IP, port, and any DNS override details. You will need them when you change network settings. Do this now so the configuration steps flow without backtracking, and so you avoid repeated restarts mid-process. Now change the network settings. Open your PS5 network configuration and enter the Bedrock Connect DNS values or apply them on your router for all devices. Then launch Minecraft, choose Add Server, and paste the server IP and port exactly. Save and prioritize that server. Also confirm your NAT and port forwarding. Open or moderate NAT reduces connection failures. If you changed router settings, restart the PS5 so DNS and port rules take effect before attempting to connect. Finally, select the added server and let the console authenticate with your Microsoft account. Accept any prompts. If the server appears but won't join, check the version, update Minecraft, or pick a compatible Bedrock Connect build. Should problems persist, reboot your modem and PS5, reapply the DNS or router changes, and verify NAT/port forwarding. A quick test on a phone or PC with the same network confirms whether the issue is PS5 specific or network-wide.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.